Where it go?
They popping out here all night. I don't know.
Smell that motherfucker.
You probably didn't even light out the way. You gonna throw it in the car. Why would you do that, big dummy?
It ain't even gonna pop because I don't know why.
You probably said I don't
hear nothing. Me neither.
We ain't popping.
Ain't not popping out here.
It's too cold.
This one about to pop though. Ratchet Milli. Ratchet Milli. Get it in.
Oh shit.
Setting off alarm around this bitch. Is it recording? Setting off alarm around this bitch. So check it out. Point at the alarm. That shit going off.
They get going on over there.
It's what it is.
Look at that smoke.
It's what it is.
Chancey's stupid. It's probably because of the humidity. Chancey's probably because of the humidity. It won't light.
Oh, that is so funny.
That freaking scared me.
That one was loud. There comes out my cigarette.
It's probably the humidity, nigga. Probably because it's too cold out here.
All I seen was flames.
They popping everywhere. You can hear it. You may think it's right down there.
Look at you looking, the dude looking outside.
Who? Tracy just started dancing out of nowhere.
That dude out there.
Cause
Maybe
it's probably
it's too
cold.
cold.
They're not
Probably 'cause it's
popping.
too cold. It's cold out here though. For real though. On you, for real though. I'll laugh and then I'll be like, "Are you alright?"
This dude came outside looking like.
What the?
Who alarm went on?
I'm surprised ours didn't go off. Chan's trying to get us sick.
Babe, come on.
You see that? That scared me.
That one popped.
Just shut the fuck up. That was too far away. We can't see it. What you locking your door for? Ain't nobody gonna get in.
Here you go.
It's just cold out here.
I got a comfort, but
You need a lighter on your phone.
Hmm?
Wouldn't that be cool? They make lighters on your phone.
he popped one.
It's about to pop for you. That's scary. I don't know why I get scared. No. I'm scared. Forget it.
I'm not.
It's like Christmas. I guess that's it.
Did I get the big boom though?
Yeah.
I got the one that big boomed it. It said the alarm off.